Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's update our view on the Bitcoin market. So as you can see, our suggestion was correct. This market has passed through the 50% resistance. We're going to the 618. That was one of the targets that we were watching. And that was nearest target 1350 approximately, because it's accompanied by the weekly overbought. And there's also the fib resistance, major fib resistance level on the weekly chart. So guys, this is weekly chart. The COP is a potential next destination point, is 1530, but it's not really very interesting on this week and maybe even within the few weeks that will follow, because take a look, it stands above the weekly overbought. And then taking into consideration the current retracement, actually here, as you can see, we've got large shooting star pattern depending on where market will close today. It means that in the nearest couple of weeks market could show a bit deeper pullback. Whether this is a major retracement or not, we will see. Potentially it could be, but currently it's too few time has passed to make the judgment of this pullback. This could be as just minor retracement before reaching COP, or it indeed could be the major retracement that we're watching for, and potentially it could reach an area around 60, even 70 even, where we could think about the taking strategic long position on Bitcoin market. That's our long-term view. In a shorter term perspective, by keeping in mind all the stuff that we said, we will take a look at two moments. So first of all, speaking on our strategy, we need to keep an eye on a possible bearish reversal pattern, and this pattern should be extended. So that should be, I don't know, maybe this will be double top, maybe will be formed or hand shoulders, or maybe it will be some significant pattern. In this case, the chances on the starting of the major retracement will increase. That is the first moment. The second moment, we will keep an eye also on the tactical retracement, because despite whether this will be strategical or not, but the pullback in the nearest time could be significant. Take a look on the daily chart. As a result of yesterday's session, we've got huge bearish engulfing pattern, and this pattern stands not only on a weekly overbought, but on a daily overbought as well. From that standpoint, we could suggest that market could reach the oversold condition, or take a look, actually it has hit the oversold as well, so that's why it has stopped actually. And currently we have multiple patterns. So first of all, on the weekly we have bearish stretch by the Geo Napoli. It's a combination overbought with the major fib level. On the daily time frame, we also have bullish daily stretch. It's a combination of the fib support in here with the daily oversold. And in the current circumstances, taking into consideration also the engulfing pattern that we have, it could be, we could count on some pullback. So the first leg that we will keep an eye on will be and is the upside retracement back in the body of the engulfing pattern. Second action that we will keep an eye on is a continuation of this pattern, and so be kind of the A, B, C, top T pattern. So that is tactical trading plan for Bitcoin. Approximately it will be, it's difficult to say by this picture, but if you will take a look at the hourly chart, on the hourly chart, that is particularly the scenario that we are keeping an eye on. Some ABCD retracement up to some of the fib resistance levels, and then potentially, depending on where this upside retracement will stop, we could count on some AB equals CD pattern. So that will be some kind of the, maybe from this level, but if even from the 618, let's take some conservative target. Well, it shows approximately 88 even. So that's approximately the price kind of action that we were watching on the daily chart right now, that it should follow. But whether it will be, as I said, a real long-term retracement on the weekly, we will see a bit later. So first we need to get result on the tactical retracement, and later we will get some news, some patterns that could lead us to make the conclusion on whether this will be a really major retracement or not. So that's our current view on the Bitcoin. So how to trade? So if you would like to take the short position, you need to wait for a clear bearish continuation pattern here. So for example, it could be guarded steeple to sell. When the market completes this ABCD pattern, that will be guarded steeple to sell, and you could try and take the position on the short side of the market against this stop, probably with this leg down based on the daily pattern, based on the daily engulfing. If you would like to take the taking long position here in current environment, well, it is possible, but it is very short-term time frame. Now we could speak in our video only on the taking long position based on the daily weekly chart. So in this case, probably we need to wait when this engulfing pattern will be completed with this meaningful retracement. Market could form, say, guarded steeple to buy on a daily sludge pattern. In this case, we could again take a look at the possible long position here. So that's approximately what we see right now on the Bitcoin market.